using predictive models in retail isn't really a new thing. I mean, retail teams, retail planners have been using something like a regression model for forecasting, or some kind of clustering, or models to help segment customers, for example, right? Now, the basic premise being, it's kind of a mathematical relationship between inputs and outputs in some ways, right? You think about, hey, I want to tweak the discount levels that I offer in a certain product or a certain product category, right? You could think of this as the controllables, right? In some ways, that's your input. That's, often in the technical parlance could be called as an independent variable of sorts. And then from there, you're establishing a mathematical relationship to an output, which could be something like, hey, what does a change in my discount lead to a change in, say, the quantum of sales, right? The units of sales or the volumes is the simplest form of a predictive model that you could kind of think of. The challenge with using something like this, if you look at it from the lens of a business user, is ultimately the model is going to spit out a bunch of numbers, a bunch of outputs, right? And it's a head scratcher at that point for most business users.